All right, Stacy, in this tutorial, what I'm going to do is show you, again, we're editing pages. So now if you wanted to hyperlink some text, we did one where we added a PDF, which you might do from time to time, but now you might want to hyperlink some text after you go in and add some text or something to that effect. So we're going to go that process. So one way we might do that is on our services page, we might want to link. In fact, I'll show you right here. We already have it linked here, so I'm going to show you how we did that. To read some recent testimonials from our customers, click here. So how do we do that if let's say we wanted to put it down here as well. To make it easy, I'll just go ahead and highlight that text. So I'll have it, copy that into my clipboard. And let's go back over here to our dashboard. We're into our services page. And now what we want to do is go down here to this last line. We put a space. Now, when we are adding text, there's a couple things I want to point out to you. When you're adding text, the worst thing you can do is take text from another website, a Word document, a PowerPoint or something, and just simply paste it in. The reason is there's always formatting built into text in a lot of places, especially in Word. There's just formatting, and when you try to put it into the website, it gets kind of out of whack. So the best thing to do is this. Even though this is from one website to another, I did copy that text from the site here. Now I'm going to go in here, and rather than just simply pasting it in there, I'm going to go up to this little feature here. There's a paste from Word. I don't like that one because I don't have 100% confidence in it. It's not always right, but this one is always right. Paste is plain text. You open it up, and a little dialog box opens up, and I simply paste in the stuff that I had. Now this strips away all of the coding that was in there, and it now simply pastes as plain text. So now if I scroll down, you see that it is simply plain text. Now the tutorial is to show you how we bold and link it. So what we're going to do first and foremost is I'm going to go up here to the bold, and that took care of that. Again, you have to do a lot of scrolling to get everything up on the screen like you want it. Sometimes it's just a matter of making it work. There we go. Okay. So we've got the text down here that we want highlighted, and I will eventually get this right. There we go. It sometimes cracks me up as well. So where do we want to link it to? Well, again, we want to go back to our website, and let's say we just want to link it to the tutorials page, or the testimonials page. So what I'll do is a lot of times I hover over, and when I right click on my mouse, I have a copy link location. That's the simplest way to do it. You can also click on the testimonials and go up to the top, which you can't see in this video, but at the URL at the top you can paste in it either way. I like to simply do copy link location, and then I go back over to my editing page, and here up at the top there are some link icons. This one is to unlink something, but most of the time you're going to want to just link it. So I'm going to link the text, and it kind of gives you that initially. I just always delete that off and start over, because usually when I paste it in, it puts that HTTP thing in there anyway. Now you can put on here and say testimonials for Pearson Air. That is, it has some value from a search engine optimization standpoint. It's not critical, but it could help. So it doesn't hurt to put that in there. This open a new link in a new window or tab. Again, the rule that I use is if you're linking to your same website, typically you don't want to open in a new window. There might be times where you think it might be necessary for them to do that, but most of the time you don't. If they are linking to another website, for instance, the train air conditioning website or the city of Arlington's website or something like that, yes, you always want that to open up in a new window, or if you're linking to a PDF or something like that. So we click add link, and then we simply hit update. And when we do that, if we go back over here to our services page, you can see down here at the bottom it says to read some more testimonials, and actually I think we had that link into the new website, or the new page. But that's how it's done.